Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a grid texture in Photoshop. Let's begin. Now we can see this background. First of all, copy this background. Press Ctrl J on your keyboard for duplicate background. Then apply this background grid texture. Click Effects, Pattern Overlay. Click this. Click Settings, and now see this grid pattern. Find this grid patterns. Grid texture. Example like texture fill 2 upon it and texture fill. Then find this grid texture. And now we can see this grid texture. Increase scale and then click OK. Adjust for showing bolt. Simply right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, again right click mouse, rasterize layer, then OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.